As you know, fast fuel systems started out on Class 8 trucks, and that's what we do a lot of. We do a lot of these pickup trucks, so we're here to talk about fuel heaters today. It's cold, it's getting cold. I've operated the FASS system down to 30 below zero. I went up to Thompson, Manitoba, Canada in January. Had our heaters on the FASS system, and you can see that video where we're showing different temperature gauges of the fuel and the ambient air temperature. But what is way cool with the heaters on here, I have mine plugged in so when I turn my light on, my parking lights on, I can preheat the fuel filters. Okay, and then I can start it. Or you can just hook it up the other way to where you just start the truck and let it warm up. The reason I did it this way, because I was at the St. Louis airport once, getting great pressure, it shut down. Started up, get great pressure, it shut down on me. Found out the cascade valve it was frozen, it was not opening up and it was building too much pressure and it was shutting the engine down. So I went back to my R&D department and I said, I want to put another heater on here because we have the disc heater, we have the probe heaters, and you can put two probe heaters in. You can put the two probe heaters in and the disc. And we didn't think it'd work, but what I was trying to do is preheat the fuel so we could put heat up to the cascade valve and start. Guess what? It worked. Not only worked once, it worked 3 times before I reported that we could repeat those actions over. So that's what we have. If you're operating in extreme cold weather and you maintain our filters properly, you're going to get that truck started. And that's not, in the end, you're going to keep it running while it's going down the road, and that wind flow is going to be taking that heat away from it, the tanks and everything. We're going to keep it running.